Given a polynomial, okay, normally I will write down has a factor x plus 2 and x minus 5, meaning that we have two factors. So p negative 2 is equals to 0. Number 1. Number 2, p5 is also equals to 0. So you got two equations. So kindly substitute. So when you substitute, you may make use of the calculator, or you just straightforward substitute. So 2 multiplied with negative 2 to the power of 3 plus we have 4a minus 2b minus 30 equals to 0. So simplify. So for this part, we have negative 8. Negative 8 multiplied with the 2, we have negative 16. So finally, we have 46. Okay, 46. So negative 16 plus 4a minus 2b minus 30 equals to 0. So 4a minus 2b is equals to 46. Simplify the situation. So 2a minus b is equals to 23. Equation number 1. Focus on the right hand side. If we substitute 5, so 2 multiplied with 5 to the power of 3. So we will have 125 plus with 25a plus with 5b minus 30 equals to 0. So make use of the calculator. 125 multiplied with the 2 and then minus with the 30. So we will have 220. Okay, so 25a plus with the 5b equals to negative 220. So we may simplify the situation by divide 5. So we have 5a plus with the b equals to, if we divide 5, we'll have 44. So that is the equation number 2. So in here, the second equation, okay, plus with the first equation, so we will have 7a and then 0b and then negative 44 plus with 23, and we will have negative 21. So a is equals to negative 3. Okay, a is equals to negative 3. So substitute a equals to negative 3 into the first equation. So we will have 2 multiplied with the negative 3 minus b equals to 23. So rearrange the situation. Negative 6 minus with 23 equals to b. So b is equals to negative 29. Okay, so my advice is substitute. Px is equals to 2x cubed. Okay, a, we have negative 3x squared. And then we have b, negative 29x minus with the 30. So that is the situation for a. Okay, that is the situation for a. So keep on moving. Kindly refers to the b. Okay, b. So in here, b, they said factorize the px. So factorize the px completely. So how to factorize the completely? So remember, in here, we have the factor. Okay, we have the factor. So kindly write down the factor. X plus with the 2 multiply with x minus 5. Okay, factor. So when we mention factorize completely, so what we have to do is long division. Okay, long division. So before make use of the long division, my advice is to expand this part. So here we will have x squared minus 3x minus 10. If you expand, you will have x squared and then minus 3x minus with the 10. Then make use of the divisor, or we say the factor. 2x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared minus 29x minus 30. So here we have x squared minus 3x minus 10. So refers to the situation. So here we will substitute 2x. Okay, 2x. So kalau 2x to the power of 3 and then negative 6x squared and then we have negative 20x. Simplify. Okay, simplify. So for this part, automatic 0. And then for this part, we will have 3x squared. And then negative 9x minus 30. Okay, that is a situation. So continue. Eliminate the 3x squared. So plus with the 3. Plus with the 3, 3x squared minus 9x minus 30. So if we simplify, the remainder is 0. So remember, standard 1, px over dx is equals to q plus with rx over dx. Standard number 2, px is equals to qx multiply with rx multiply with dx plus with the rx. So based on this question, this will be the answer, because based on the B, they didn't give you the structure P over D. Okay, P over D. So straightforward, you must answer your question in the second standard form. So my final answer would be Px is equals to quotient. Can you see or not? Quotient 2x plus with the 3. And then dx is the divisor, right? A question said factorize completely. So my answer would be x plus 2, x minus 5. And then the r is 0. So here will be our final answer. Okay, our final answer.